Hey there, website owners, ready to skyrocket your website's ranking? Today, I'm diving into the essentials of backlinking. Yup, that's right, backlinking 101. So what exactly is a backlink? Think of it as a vote of confidence from one site to another. When another website links to yours, it's like saying, hey, this content is valuable, and Google loves valuable content, why should you care about backlinks? Well, more backlinks usually mean higher rankings on search engines. It's like a popularity contest, but instead of high school, it's the vast world of the internet. More quality backlinks equal more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately, more conversions. Now let's talk types of backlinks. First off, there are natural backlinks. These are created when other sites link to your content simply because they find it useful. Then there are manual backlinks, which you get through deliberate efforts like guest blogging or influencer outreach. But hold on. Quantity isn't everything, quality is key. A single backlink from a high-authority site like Forbes or BBC can be more valuable than dozens of links from less reputable sites. So, focus on getting backlinks from authoritative, relevant sources. Alright, so how do you get these high-quality backlinks? Number 1, create outstanding content. Content that's informative, engaging, and share-worthy. Think infographics, comprehensive guides, or unique research. The kind of stuff people can't help but link to. Number 2, guest blogging. Identify high-authority blogs in your niche and pitch them irresistible content ideas. Make sure to include a backlink to your site in your author bio or within the content if appropriate. Number 3, broken link building. Find broken links on other websites and suggest your content as a replacement. Tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush can help you find these broken links quickly. And don't forget about networking. Building relationships with other website owners and influencers in your industry can open up backlinking opportunities you might never have considered. Lastly, always monitor your backlinks. Use tools like Google Analytics and Ahrefs to see who's linking to you and ensure they're quality links. If you find any spammy or harmful links, disavow them to keep your site's health in check. So there you have it, backlinking 101. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your website's rankings soar. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint, so stay consistent and patient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on boosting your website's performance. Till next time, happy backlinking.